We continue about quadratic trigonometric equation. Question D. For this form, you can see you have two variables in this equation, sine and cos. So I want to convert them become to only one solution, or only one variable. And I need to know about how can you change sine square h become to expression in terms of cos square. So I need to revise a little bit about the very fundamental formula of trigonometry. You got cos square plus sine square h equal to 1. This means you can convert sine square h become to in terms of cos by using this. 1 minus cos square h like this. And then the left hand side, I don't want to rewrite sine square anymore. I want to rewrite it like the new form cos square h in this one, and the second one will be here. And then I can see that the left hand side and the right hand side also have 1. I can simplify it by this, and I move minus cos square from left to right. Translation method, right? And then you got cos square h minus cos h here, and using substitution method, cos h become to t, and the equation you got t squared minus t equal to 0. The next step are using factorizing methods, because for this quadratic equation is quite easy. T equal to 0 and t equal to 1. And then you got the first equation, t equal to 0 equal to cos, is that right? Yeah, cos h. And cos h equal to 0 is means sine cos is 0, and h equal to 0 plus 2 pi k. And now I want to k again about the interval. The interval will be minus pi to pi. So minus pi to pi, you only have one solution for this interval when h equal to 0 corresponding to k equal to 0. Yeah. If k equal to minus 1 or k equal to 1, it will be longer or more shorter of the interval minus pi to pi. So that cannot be the right answer. For equation B, you got t equal to 1, is mean cos h equal to 1. Oh, sorry. This is cos h equal to 1. Yeah, this is equal to 1, sorry. And for the new one, I will combine to t equal to 0. Cos h equal to 0 is mean you will got here is pi over 2, but for this case you got special case of sine and cos. You will have h equal to pi over 2 plus pi plus k like this one. And then I will get the table between k and h. When k equal to minus 1, this is minus pi over 2. Here is 0. This means pi over 2, and for the new one, k equal to 1, 3 pi over 2. So 3 pi over 2 is larger than pi, so this cannot be correct answer. But this one and this one will be right. And then in conclusion, you got the two solutions for h, minus pi over 2 and pi over 2 here. Yeah, that is question D. How about question E? For question E, one more time, I see cos 2h and the other side will be cos. So remember, you got three formula about cos 2h. For this case, I want to use this one because after using this formula, I will have right hand side and left hand side only become 2 in terms of cos h only. And then you got here is 2 cos square h minus 1, and the other side is 2 plus cos h here. And then substitute t equal to cos h. I will got the new form 2t squared minus 1 equal to 2 plus t. Move it to left hand side, minus t and minus 3 after simplify. The solution of this one will be t equal to minus 1, and another one is 3 equal to 3 over 2. 3 over 2, but you got problem. I will tell you that later. The first equation you got t equal to minus 1 is mean cos h equal to minus 1. Sine cos it is cos of pi. And for this formula, you only have pi plus pi times k. It's not 2 pi plus k anymore. Sorry, it's not 2 pi times k anymore. Only, oh, wait a second. Oh, yes, I think this still be 2k, 2 pi times k. And then, how can you solve with this one? K and h, when k equal to minus 1, you got minus pi. When k equal to 0, you got pi. And 1 here, you got 1 is 3 pi. Yeah, based on this table, you have h equal to minus pi and pi. This is cannot be the right answer. But back to the second equation, you got t here 3 over 2 equal to cos 8. You got problem for this equation because for this value of cos 8, this is greater than 1. So one of the fundamental knowledge about trigonometric function, you have to remember both sine 8 and cos 8 only have interval between minus 1 and 1 or minus 1 and 1 in here. So for this value, 3 over 2 greater than 1. No solution for this equation. You can solve that immediately because the value of cos is greater than 1. So this one will be no solution. Question F. Question F is very difficult. Yeah, I think so. You have to remember about the double formula angle for tan, and then you have to master about algebraic technique. So just step by step. The first step, I will understand that tan to h, I can convert this become to tan h only. Double angle formula, you got 2 tan h in over 1 minus tan square h by this one. And how about cotang h? Cotang h is mean 1 over tan h by this form. So after this writing, you got two equivalent fraction, the left hand side fraction and the right hand side fraction. How about this one in the algebra? You can change this become to the new form. A will multiply D and B will multiply C. You got A times D will become equal to B times C. This means the same thing for this one. I will take the numerator of left hand side fraction multiply with denominator of right hand side fraction. This is 2 tan multiply tan h, and the other one will be 1 minus tan square h times 1. It means equal to itself, like here. The left hand side will be tan square h and the right hand side 1 tan square h, like here. And then you got 3 tan square h equal to 1. So tan square h equal to 1 over 3. How about tan? The tan h value is be equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 3. And then the first equation I will using 1 over square root of 3 here. This is will be tan over square root of 6, square root of 6, and one solution for here, one formula for here, like this one. And you got k and you got h. When h equal to minus 1, here is minus 5 pi over 6. Here 0 pi over 6, and for 1 will be 7 pi over 6. So two solutions for this case, pi over 6 and minus 5 pi over 6. Minus 5 pi over 6. The first equation. And how about the second one? Tan h equal to minus 1 over square root of 3. This is have to be equal minus pi over 6. And then h equal to minus pi over 6 plus pi times k. So k and h you got here is minus 1. No, this cannot be because minus 7 pi over 6 will be larger than pi. 0 minus pi over 6. Okay, satisfy 1. I think so. 5 pi over 6. Yes, so you get two solutions. Minus pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. 4 solution in total. 4 solution. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, sorry, this is not minus h, this plus h. This is plus h. Yeah, we finished question F.